Hello, welcome to Calming Habitat Diaries. It is now many days after winter storm. We still have snow and ice on the ground, and these winter sowing containers were covered with ice. And I am wondering how my seedlings within the winter sowing containers are doing. I just want to do some spot check, and I know some of the containers had seedlings before the winter storm. Let's look. It's all right. What we are looking at is lupin, and they are doing good. They are doing good. They are safe inside. They are safe inside. We had those seedlings before the storm begins. Oh, let's see. It's still ice. Lot of ice. Wherever we can open and see. Okay, there are small seedlings. They are doing good. They are safe. They are safe inside. We'll open one more container if we can and see whether they are doing good. So there are two seedlings coming up there. It's doing good. Just one more container if we can. Ice, fully ice. Oh wow, lupins are doing good. This is lupin. They are doing good. They are safe. They are safe inside. They are doing good. Doing good. And I think this container is iced out. We did see this. So this tells me they are doing good. All the seedlings, those who came up, doing good. Calming Habitat signing off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.